Imagine a battlefield where hundreds of tiny drones, no bigger than birds, buzz through the sky. They move with incredible speed and precision, like a swarm of angry bees. This isn't science fiction. This is the future of war, powered by artificial intelligence. AI is transforming how wars are fought. Drones are getting smaller, faster, and smarter. And the most significant change is the arrival of drone swarms. These swarms are about to change everything.
So, what exactly are AI drones? These aren't your everyday drones controlled by a pilot on the ground. These are robots with a brain. They use artificial intelligence to think for themselves, make decisions, and even learn from their mistakes. Now picture these intelligent drones working together in a swarm. They communicate with each other, sharing information and coordinating attacks. They can overwhelm defenses, adapt to changing situations, and strike with incredible speed and accuracy.
The use of AI drone swarms in combat comes with both advantages and disadvantages. One of the most significant benefits is the potential to reduce human casualties. With robots fighting on the front lines, fewer soldiers would be put in harm's way. This not only saves lives, but also allows military personnel to operate from safer, remote locations, reducing the psychological and physical toll of war. AI-powered drones could also make warfare more efficient. They can carry out surveillance, gather intelligence, and strike targets with greater precision than human soldiers. This precision targeting minimizes the risk of collateral damage, ensuring that only intended targets are hit. Additionally, AI drones can operate continuously without fatigue, providing constant surveillance and real-time data to commanders. This continuous operation can lead to better informed decisions on the battlefield. The ability to strike targets with pinpoint accuracy means that missions can be completed more swiftly and effectively. This could potentially lead to shorter conflicts with less collateral damage. However, the increasing reliance on AI in warfare also raises ethical and security concerns. The potential for autonomous weapons to make life and death decisions without human intervention is a significant issue that needs to be addressed. As technology advances, the line between human and machine decision-making in combat becomes increasingly blurred, making the future of warfare both smarter and scarier.
Section 4. The ethical dilemma of AI warfare. However,